Plasters are a simple way of protecting and keeping clean a small injury. There are different types and you need to select the right type and size. The main types are waterproof, fabric or a gauze type. They come in different qualities and these are higher quality with a superior adhesive giving more effective protection in all environments. Plasters are always sterile and you will find them in most first aid kits. There are different shapes and sizes from round plasters for small wounds or sores to shaped plasters to allow them to fit over the end of your finger. Make sure you're wearing gloves to ensure that they're kept clean and you don't add infection. You may need to clean the wound to remove any dirt or grit. Once you've selected the right type and size of plaster, open the packet and remove the plaster. Check the site that you apply the plaster to and peel back the plaster to expose the adhesive. Apply the plaster carefully, removing the remainder of the backing paper. Finally, ensure it's secure and that blood's not coming through.